Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Home Remedy. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of lemongrass oil for skin lightening. If you're looking for a natural way to achieve a brighter, more even complexion, you won't want to miss this video. What is lemongrass oil? First off, let's talk about what lemongrass oil is. Lemongrass is a tropical plant native to South Asia, and its oil is extracted from the plant's leaves. It's known for its fresh, citrusy aroma and powerful antioxidant properties. How lemongrass oil lightens skin. So, how does lemongrass oil help with skin lightening? Well, it's all thanks to its high content of citral, a natural compound that inhibits melanin production. Melanin is the pigment that gives our skin its color, and by slowing down its production, lemongrass oil can help fade dark spots, acne scars, and other hyperpigmentation issues. Additional skin benefits. But that's not all. Lemongrass oil also has amazing anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This means it can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and even fight off acne-causing bacteria. Talk about a multitasker. How to use lemongrass oil for skin lightening. Now, let's get into how you can incorporate lemongrass oil into your skincare routine. The simplest way is to mix a few drops of the oil with your favorite carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba, and apply it to your skin as a serum. You can also add a few drops to your daily moisturizer or face mask for an extra brightening boost. Precautions and patch test. As with any new skincare product, it's important to do a patch test first to make sure you don't have any adverse reactions. Simply apply a small amount of diluted lemongrass oil to a small area of skin and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Conclusion. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of lemongrass oil for skin lightening and overall skin health. If you're ready to give this natural wonder a try, be sure to check the description box below for product recommendations and more tips.